The 225A Stick ARC Welder VRD is a versatile mini welding machine capable of handling various materials, including mild steel, carbon steel, stainless steel, and cast iron. Safety is prioritized with multiple protection mechanisms, including insulation and enclosure protection, ensuring secure operation for both beginners and experienced users. Utilizing advanced IGBT technology, this welder achieves an impressive efficiency of 85%, making it energy efficient and enhancing welding performance. Designed for portability, the compact and lightweight welder comes with a convenient carrying strap and vibrant packaging, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Each unit undergoes rigorous inspection to meet high-quality standards, ensuring reliability and long-lasting performance with thoroughly checked components and accessories. The Stick ARC Welder is an excellent tool for both novice and professional welders, offering ease of use and exceptional functionality.